Talagang pinag-iisipan natin yung preaching nung linggo, no? Yung God with us.
Oo, God with us.
Yung Emmanuel, no?
Oo, ang tindi pala ng God with us, no? Because we did not only receive the free gift of salvation pala. What we received as followers of Jesus Christ is God's being with us. God with us. Yun ang na-receive natin. And kung titignan mo, yun yung sinabi ni Apostle Paul sa Bible na that I may know Him and experience the power of His resurrection. Ibig sabihin, ang goal talaga ni God is makilala natin siya ng gusto and ma-experience natin yung power that rose Him from the dead, no? So, yun talaga no? In every aspect of our life, sa family, sa marriage, business,
sa health,
finances, health, lahat siya magkakaproblema Pero kung ang desire natin is to know Him more, talaga magpapakilala siya kasi yun nga yung meaning ng Christmas God with us. So, He so desire na makapiling niya tayo and ma-experience natin yung power niya sa ating buhay.
And that's the gift that He's giving.
That is the gift that He's giving. So, we
Or
celebrate Christmas because of that.
Yes.